Alright, we're out again this morning. I gotta get the feeding done. There's some people supposed to come to build a hoop barn. And right here actually is our shed for our sawmill. We gotta get it built today. A different crew is coming out for that. Some of our neighbors are coming to help us. They help us with a lot of things, and it's just what we got done yesterday. They stood these up and filled it with concrete, and then boarded them like this where they would stay up straight until the concrete dries. Then today we're going to come back and start framing it. Right here is what we've been building on. Now you can't really see it, but just ran all the calves out of the greenhouse here. And so now I'll start getting the silage and putting it in the troughs. Alright, I just unwrapped them hay bales right over there, so I can put them in the hay bus. And first I gotta hook up to that too. But I gotta unload this John Deere and park it, and then I got to take this trailer. I gotta park in that, I guess that stall is what you would call it over there. First I gotta unload the John Deere. been working on this water line over here. It goes right along here, right here. We've worked on it a while, then we remembered to try to video. So it starts off and it goes all the way from up there at the house. It comes down to this, then it comes down here, right here, to that T right there, and that goes on, and it goes this way through the barn, all the way to our well that we dug back there, and it's got so it's got water going from here to there, and then right here where that light is, there's going to be a breaker box, and so some electric wire runs through there through a pipe all the way also to the well where we can have electricity for the well. And then these are the two greenhouses and our new hoop house, which should be in the last video, is right here. And that's in this video actually, the hoop house that got built. It runs this. That goes in there for an automatic water. Just here side is the inside of it. Here's the mini excavator that we've been leasing. We got a grain carts parked in here. We also bought some big pig feeders, 2 of them. The other one's somewhere around here. Yeah, it's right over there. But here's the inside of the hoop house. It's got plenty enough room. It's 72 feet long this way by 80, or by 32. And right over here is our panels. We got enough panel and wood to build the rest of this, but here's the first one put up just to see how it is. Shot a board in at the top. There it is. Right over there is our hoop house, as it's showing. Right here is our big sawmill shed that we just built. We built both of these in the same day. Here it is. It's 12 foot tall on this end, 14 on the other, just because it's kind of built on a hill. Yeah, but it's big. Pretty tall mainly. It ain't that big of a structure, but it should be 30 foot long and 20 foot wide, I think. But here's the inside of it. This is where we'll put our sawmill. We'll put our sawmill in here too. And we'll pour a concrete pad actually right here. And at the same time, we're gonna pour a pad inside of our hoop barn. So that our automatic water will sit on the one inside the hoop barn, and then right in here our sawmill will sit on the other concrete pad. But here's the past 2 things we built in the past 2 days, I think that's all. Or no, that's 1 day we built 2 things. Yeah.